In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the sort by function to sort your data effortlessly. Unlike built-in sort feature, sort by can dynamically update the sorting when the data changes. Let's begin. The sort by function sorts your data dynamically based on one or more criteria. In this function, the first two arguments are mandatory, while the others are optional. Let's explore this with an example. Here, we have a dataset of employees in an organization, including their name, age, department, salary, and years of service. Here, I want to sort the names of the employees by their age, displaying only their names in the results. So, right is equal to sort by. Open parentheses. For the first argument, array, I'll select the range containing the employee names. Next argument is by array, which tells Excel what to sort by. In our case, I'll select the age column. It's important to note that both ranges must be of equal size. The third argument is optional and specifies the sort order. If you leave it blank, the function will sort in ascending order by default. However, if you want to define the order explicitly, you can write 1 for ascending or -1 for descending. In this example, I'll choose 1 for ascending order. Finally, I'll close the parentheses and press enter. And now, we have a list of employees sorted by their age, with only their names displayed. Now, let's explore multi-level sorting. We'll sort our data first by department and then by years of service. Right is equal to sort by. Open parentheses. For the first argument, which is the array, I'll select the entire data range. Next, for the by array, we'll first sort by department. Since we want it in ascending order, there's no need to specify the sort order, or we can write 1 for ascending. After that, I'll add a comma and select the years of service column. This time, we'll sort it in descending order, so I'll write -1. Finally, I'll close the parentheses and press enter. And that's it. We've successfully sorted our data. Since we don't have headings in this data, we can easily add them by combining this function with stack. Select this range and press enter. As I mentioned earlier, this function is dynamic. Any changes to the data will automatically update the sorted results, including the headings. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll be sharing more advanced examples of the sort by function in an upcoming video, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.